Hello kids, welcome to the e-learning platform of MD Children Academy, Rising Nagar. Today we are going to learn about sprouted seeds. What are sprouted seeds? Sprouted seeds are the seeds with small white structure coming out of it when seeds are wrapped in a wet cloth. जब हम किसी सीड को वेट क्लॉथ्स में रैप करके कुछ टाइम के लिए रख देते हैं तो उस सीड में एक वाइट स्ट्रक्चर निकल आता है. द सीड्स आर नोन एज स्प्राउटेड सीड्स. Let us do an activity to prepare sprouted seeds. For this activity, take some dry seeds of moong dal. Here I am taking example of moong dal. You can even use black gram or white gram also. Okay. Put a small quantity of water in it and leave it aside for 1 day. Next day, drain the water completely and leave seeds in a vessel. Okay. Now what you have to do next is wrap the seeds in wet cloth and then again set it aside for next 1 day. Unwrap the seeds next day and you will observe a white structure coming out of the seeds. This white structure shows that seeds are sprouted. This is known as sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds are very nutritious, so one must add sprouted seed in his or her regular diet. Next we are going to discuss about honey. Honey is a natural sugar. We get honey from honeybees. Do you know the process? Let's learn about it. Honeybees prepare honey with the help of sweet juices of flowers known as nectar. Honeybees collect nectar from the flowers and store it in their beehives for their future use. Now let us learn about animals. On the basis of what they eat, animals can be classified into mainly 3 categories. That is herbivore, carnivore and omnivore. Herbivore are the animals which eat only plants or plant products. For example, horse, deer, cow, buffalo, etc. Carnivore are the animal which eat other animals. Examples are lion, tiger, etc. Omnivores. Omnivores are the animals which eat both plants and animals. Examples are dog and humans also. Humans are also omnivores. More example is as shown in the picture, an ant is also an omnivore as it can eat plant as well as animals.